Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. We've had some hands-on time now with the Ford F-150 Lightning and found Ford has done a very good job of maintaining the essence of the most popular vehicle in America for decades while transforming it into an EV. I think the massive frunk with so much storage where an internal combustion engine used to be under the hood can create a whole new base of interested consumers, and there are AC, vehicle power port, and USB outlets in there too, as there are in the front of the interior, the back, and the bed of the truck. And one of Ford's big selling points for the F-150 Lightning is the ability to power your home in an emergency. Keep in mind the third-party charging network is still a work in progress and can at times be frustrating. The beautiful blue Lariat model we tested had a sticker topping $80,000. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Innovation, sustainability, fearless. Those are some of the words that come to mind when I think of GoSun and founder Patrick Sherwin. It's one of those started in a garage stories and continues on with Patrick and his team finding new ways to harness the power of the sun. Solar ovens, coolers, water filtration, solar rechargeable batteries like the beautifully designed Power 550, solar panels, and even portable tables with solar panel tops. GoSun takes on challenges and innovates fearlessly. The GoSun Chillest portable fridge can be used every day in your house or is at home running on battery power at a campsite. Great for transporting groceries over distances too. And it is a company that has been there to help wherever needed. Learn more about the products and the people behind them at gosun.co.